Hello everybody, in this lesson I will discuss a practice example on trig equations specific solution. Solve for x in 3 tan bracket x minus 10 degrees plus 11 is equal to 3, where x is an element 0 up to 360 degrees. Now there's your sum. So your first problem is you need to isolate the tan and the angle x minus 10. You will let the plus 11 walk across, it becomes minus 11, and then 3 minus 11 is negative 8. And you divide away the 3 both sides. So you end with tan bracket x minus 10 degrees is negative 8 over 3. Again, we will work out the reference angle, the acute angle, and we will ignore the minus. So we will say shift tan 8 divided by 3 close bracket equals, and then the acute angle is 69,44 degrees. And remember, the acute angle is always positive. Now you will take the minus into consideration and you will say, where is tan negative? In which quadrant? Tan is negative in the second and the fourth quadrant. Now, on the left hand side goes the angle. The angle used to be x minus 10 degrees. So x minus 10 degrees on the left hand side equals, and then in the second quadrant the rule is 180 minus acute angle. Therefore, x minus 10 is 180 minus 69,44, which is 110,56, and you let that negative 10 walk across, it becomes plus 10. Therefore, x is 120,56 degrees. In the fourth quadrant, on the left hand side is x minus 10 equals, and then the rule for the fourth quadrant is 360 minus the acute angle 69,44 degrees. We subtract that, we end with 290,56. Let the negative 10 walk across, it becomes plus 10. Final answer, x is 300,56 degrees. In the next lesson, I will discuss another practice example on finding the specific solution in a trig equation. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.